So what do you think about the trading industry in general? There seems to be a bit of a rise.
I'm not allowed to use that sort of language on this. I think
it seems to be a bit of a rise of the Instagram trader.
Yeah, there is. I think things are getting better, but I still think it's a bit of the Wild West out there. There's too much emphasis on look at me and look at my winning trades. Where, and especially for the new people, you need to be told how much you're going to lose.
Yeah.
Because as a newbie, you're going to lose.
Yeah.
No ifs, no buts, you are going to lose.
And that's why you're advocate of just small position size, because if you're going to lose anyway, if you want to lose 500 quid, you want to lose 50 grand, you've almost got the choice.
Yeah. The worst thing that can happen to a new trader is to win a trade. It's just, it's unbelievable what happens. Because they just think they can do it. And then they'll ramp their position size up, and then within 6 months they'll have blown the account.
Yeah. Yeah, we've all been there as well. We've all been there, we've seen it.
Hands up.
Yeah. You make a few good trades at the beginning. Aston Martin brochures get ordered. So, not going to take that long to get this, you know. And then you make a couple of losers.
Yeah.
Inevitably, when your size has been wicked up, and all of a sudden you're back to where you were, if not more loss. So you'd say to people, listen, if someone wants to get into trading, here's a question for you. If someone wants to get into trading, they've heard someone's trading or whatever, what would you recommend their kind of process of doing it? So they don't know anything about it, they just heard about trading, they quite like the idea of it.
Personally, I would say you have to do it on your own. To start with. Start learning the strategies that you like, and as we've discussed, if you want to try them all, you try them all. You do them all, doesn't matter, stochastics, patterns, fundamentals, do it all, whichever time frames, pair stocks, do it all. Sift out what you don't like, find out what you do like, narrow all that down, do your homework on the internet, read books, don't subscribe to anything or anybody.
Except the channel.
Once you know, it's not a case of you know what you're doing, it's when you get your nose for smelling the BS. That'll take a bit of time.
What's a good...
You just want to soak everything up.
Yeah. What's a good BS waft for you?
The minute somebody starts talking about being a multimillionaire by the time they were 20.
Yeah.
And in the background is his Lamborghini, and you just, oh, here we go. How many suckers is he going to get on board?
Yeah.
All right. Fine. Occasionally, that can happen for some of them, but they've been trading an awful long time. And
also, you find you find that if you've got a Lambo, it stays in the garage. You don't wheel it out for a video. If the Lambo's in the garage, you take it out for the weekend. You do whatever. You don't use it as a tool because it feels like that, regardless of whether you got the Lambo or not. You're using that as a carrot.
You're just rubbing it in the faces.
It's the carrot, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we all know that, listen, if you work well in trading, you can either have a extra supplementary income that adds a bit of money to help you out, or you can push it as far as you want to go and somewhere in between.
You've got to, I do really think you've got to have that period at the beginning on your own. No mentor, no nothing. You do it. You do an awful lot of yourself. Yes, I think you'll get to a certain stage where you need the mentor. A mentor has its place in some way, shape, or form.
The right type of.
But it's the right type.
Yeah.
But you've got to do some work up to that point to know that the mentor that you're looking at
fits into you and is the right one.
It's the right one. There's no BS, and you know where you're going with it.
Yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense.
Because again, my own personal experience is that's what I did.
Yeah.
Spent months and months and months just doing it myself. And once I'd weeded out the BS, and I could actually smell it as well as I knew who I wanted to go with or I didn't.
Yeah, you knew what you were looking for.
I knew what I was looking for. But if you've been doing it a week and you just jump straight onto some mentor,
the one who shouted the loudest, you end up going
precisely.
To. Yeah.
And I guarantee you'll waste your money. Guarantee it. I don't have an issue with people subscribing and paying for mentorship. But what you have to do is get to the stage where you know which one to pick.
Yeah, no, that's a really good point. I've not thought of that before. Yeah, knowing who you are as a trader, because otherwise you end up learning something. And going back to your point of having to know the style and strategy you're trading, if this mentor says, "Look, I'm really good gold scalper," and you start scalping gold, and really it's not your forte. You've wasted all this time, and you might end up just quitting. And not even tried something else like a swing trading forex or option or whatever other multiple strategies there are out there.
And the problem is that you may well turn around and say, well, that mentor was no good. Where actually he was good, but you were wrong for him.
Yeah, you're in the wrong.
He's not wrong for you, you're wrong for him. You've got to find out which one you'll fit into, which mentor is going to fit me. And you're not going to know that until you've done your homework and you've done your research. You've not particularly lost money, but you've been on your demo account.
Yeah.
You've tried stochastics, Fibonacci, patterns, and you've filtered them out. Once you've filtered them out and you know what you're doing, that's the sort of mentor you'll go for.
Yeah.
Because then you'll fit. You'll lock together.
Yeah, no, it makes perfect sense. There was a guy actually I knew who used to run a trading room when he traded grains like corn, wheat, etc. And he was a good trader, right? He was a good, solid trader. But people didn't like him because he would trade every so often, once a week. And people are like, well, demand a trade. I demand a trade. Yeah, but we're making money. Look, we're actually making. No. I demand a trade now. So well, then you probably want to be more into a scalping mentor, scalping room or whatever. And that's the same kind of thing, isn't it?
It is, it's exactly right. And he's making money, so he's a perfectly good trader. But the guys that joined him are probably slagging him off.
Yeah, he was exactly what they were. They weren't prepared to wait.
Precisely.
But that was his style. It was like, well...
That was his style, it wasn't theirs.
Yeah.
And they were trying to force him to their style. Well, no, sorry.
Yeah.
If the guy's making money, knows how to trade, well, you trade his style.
Yeah. Or
if
you
not, go off somewhere else.
Yeah, no.